This is a very nice function, the lambert w function. Here's the property of the lambert w function. Notice u equals w of x, right? If we apply the inverse lambert w function, then we get x equals u e to the u. So that's the key. So the idea is, if I have this thing, u e to the u equals x, we can apply the w on both sides. When you have this and that match, and we have the e here, then we pretty much just resort it to u. So that's the idea. For more videos on this, you can check out the channel. I have done lots of videos on the lambert w function. Okay, once we have this, what do we do next though? Well, still same thing, get a dx. So we will have to differentiate that, and here we will have to use the product rule. dx equals, keep the first times the derivative of the second, plus the second times the derivative of the first. And then we have the du. Yeah, that's all you have. And we can factor out the e to the u if you would like. I'll put it here though. Here we have the integral. W is u, and then dx is all these things. So I will just multiply, and I think I would really factor out e to the u. So we have e to the u times u plus 1 du like this. And now this is just a polynomial times e to the something, right? We can do integration by parts. But before that, let me just clean things up one more time. This times this, right? This and this, which is u squared plus u, and then we have e to the u du. Now let's go ahead and do the integration by parts. D and also the I plus minus plus u squared plus u, and then e to the u. Differentiate this, we get 2u plus 1. One more time. We need one more. So get 0. Stop. E to the u is just always going to give us e to the u. Alright, so first part of the answer, ladies and gentlemen. This times that, we get u squared plus u times e to the u. Next, this times that, which is minus 2u plus 1 e to the u. And then lastly, plus 2 e to the u. That's pretty much the idea, huh? But of course, we're not done yet. We'll clean things up. This part, it's the u squared times e to the u. That's the only part, right? So I will just write it down as, and I will purpose write it as u times u, that's u squared, and then e to the u, right? This and that. It's the only thing that we have to, yeah. Next, I will put this down in blue. U minus 2u pretty much, right? This is minus 2u. So this is minus 2u minus 1. U minus 2u is minus u, and then we have the e to the u too. Yeah, e to the u right here. And then next, we have minus 1 times e to the u. Minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1, and then we have e to the u. So it's just the clean up. And the reason I put it down like this is because u is w of x. U e to the u is x. U e to the u is x. So we have a minus x. And lastly, we have e to the u. E to the u, u is w of x, so I'll just write it as plus e to the w of x. Just like that. Crazy stuff, isn't it? I will leave the answer like that.